With the idea of a vehicle that offers passengers as much space as possible in the interior with compact dimensions, Mini revolutionized individual mobility 64 years ago. Since then, the brand has focused on maximum driving pleasure with a minimum footprint. Characterized by a modern, digital, and unmistakable design, the new Mini Cooper SE combines innovative technology with the traditional Mini DNA. In the fifth model generation of the Mini three-door, this includes a new world of digital experiences in the interior, as well as modern assistance systems for the mobility of the future. The Mini Cooper SE embodies the innovative power of Mini. With its dynamic design, sustainable performance, and go-kart feel, it sets new standards in electric mobility, says Stephanie Wurst, head of the Mini brand. All-electric driving fun with an enhanced go-kart feeling. With 160 kilowatts, 218 horsepower, and a maximum torque of 330 newton meters, the Mini Cooper SE sprints from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 6.7 seconds. The high-voltage battery with 54.2 kilowatt-hours energy content placed in the vehicle floor enables a range of 402 kilometers, determined in the WLTP test cycle. The excellent driving dynamics are based on the slightly increased track width, as well as a wider wheelbase. With fast charging with direct current of up to 95 kilowatts, just 30 minutes are enough to charge the battery from 10% to 80%. The customer can optimize the charging process at any time with easy-to-understand settings and conveniently view them via the Mini app. Even more expressiveness thanks to Mini LED headlights with signature modes. Together with the newly designed octagonal front grille, the iconic round headlights define the striking face of the all-electric Mini Cooper SE. LED headlights with optional light signatures emphasize the vehicle's character and enhance its individual expression. The differently designed light modes start and end with a specially orchestrated welcome or goodbye animation. The compact silhouette is characterized by typical Mini proportions. These include short overhangs, a short bonnet, and a contrasting long wheelbase. This exciting appearance makes the Mini Cooper SE stand out in the urban jungle with classic design features and a contemporary aesthetic. The new, modern Mini design also characterizes the clear surfaces of the rear section with flush tail lights. Reduced to the essentials, the new Mini Cooper SE gains not only a strong presence and increased dynamics, but also additional efficiency. Thanks to the further optimized aerodynamic properties, the vehicle achieves a CW value of 0.28. Emotional design in the interior for an immersive user experience. The new minimalist interior in the Mini Cooper SE impresses with digital, immersive, and warm characteristics. Fewer components, which are cleverly designed and implemented to a high standard, successfully transport the famous design of the classic Mini into the present. The purest interior of the new Mini is structured by the round OLED display, the characteristic toggle switch bar, and the newly designed steering wheel. The curved dashboard is made of textile surfaces for the first time and characterizes the feel-good atmosphere of the new Mini Cooper SE. In the cockpit, the central high-resolution OLED display sets a new standard. The new central instrument is both an experience and a comfort center, and in the new Mini Cooper SE, it moves closer to the driver for convenient operation. Numerous functions, such as navigation, telephony, and entertainment, can be operated with the brand's first fully-fledged voice assistant. The voice-controlled interaction takes place on the round OLED display in the form of an animation of graphic elements, typography, and an avatar. Mini Experience modes and 4 newly designed trims offer a wide range of customization options. The Mini Experience modes give the interior even more expressiveness through new solutions and take individualization in the Mini Cooper SE to a new level. Each mode has specially designed backgrounds that look lively and high quality, with the greatest possible freedom from distraction. The mini projector can be used to immerse the dashboard in atmospheric color worlds and patterns that are matched to the experience mode selected. The unique, immersive experience of projection, ambient lighting, and mini interaction unit extends into the door panels. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the JCW Adventures channel for the latest mini news, advice, and reviews.